Welcome to the Rajasthani desert, just a camel ride away from Pakistan. This is Belly Dance, Body and Soul with Alicia Friedman, where we all feel a little lighter. Take a sip of water or chai, whatever you're drinking. Breathe in. We're going to start with a nice pose. Inhale and move however the music speaks to you. This song is by Musafir. They're musicians from Rajasthan. Doing finger ripples down, going into snake arms, and sinking down with a level change, which shows your audience how the move evolves, along with changing where you're looking. Play with the clouds. Yes, there's a little caravan of camels coming behind me. Life is that good. You can do floreos one hand at a time. Reach up, exhale, inhale, and exhale as you roll down. Inhale, reach up, and exhale, roll down. I'm going to do some shoulder rolls, just single shoulder rolls. It's nice to look where you want your audience to look. The end of your fingertips, for example. More single shoulder rolls, they go all the way to my fingertips. Now we're combining them, making it more snake arms, but they're defined shoulder rolls. Shoulder shimmies. Now lead with your shoulder roll. So you're rolling around and shoulder shimmy in that direction. Roll around, shoulder shimmy, shoulder shimmy. Roll that shoulder, shoulder shimmy. Another level change. Little snake arms. I'm doing figure eights with my hips, so I'm drawing an 8 horizontally with my hips. These are back 8s. Go forward with our 8s, figure 8s forward. Again, you're drawing an 8 with your hips, horizontally. Feel free to walk around. And we're bouncing hip circle. Bounce, 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 bounce. So my heels are coming up off the ground as I bounce. Smooth it out into an ami, where you're getting the frosting off the back of a jar. How about we make it sun butter? So these amis, you're getting the sun butter off the back of a jar if you were dancing inside of a beautiful glass jar. Change direction. Circle the other way. Ami's like a hip circle, but your butt sticks out a little bit. You still have really good belly dance posture though, with your knees soft and keeping your pelvis tucked. Level change, go up on your toes, squat down. Keep circling the other way. All right, we're going into single soft hip pushes. So lead with your hip pushes, just single. Left, right, left, right. You can go back, back, away from the audience and forward. Lead with one hip. More ummy hip circles. Change direction. Getting the sunflower seed butter off of that jar. Speed it up. Level change, bend your knees. Get taller. Never locking your knees. Change direction. Always keeping your knees soft. Gotta protect your lower back. Drop, 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 drop. 3/4 shimmy. Oh, I think it's time for a little tea break. You can still keep dancing. So when I was in Rajasthan making this video, I was also dancing with some amazing gypsy dancers, and I was learning some Kalbelia moves. So please subscribe to my channel and check out those instructional videos that show Kalbelia moves done by Kalbelia women. So this is a flower hands out and flat hands in. Flat flower. So as you rotate, your arms go in, and as they go out, they turn into flowers. It's really fun to do that move with other people. Back to your hips. Those soft single hip pushes, just follow it around. Follow it to the side, flow to the other side. Okay, so in the Kalbelia, the Rajasthani gypsy group, they stomp when they dance. See, I'm pivoting on my weighted foot and stomping out with my other heel. I'm turning on my weighted foot. Move forward with this, and they pinch the top of their skirts. So this is a wallflower hand. Wallflower, wallflower. This is a move you can use to move forward. So I'll back up and show you. You gotta check out those videos I have of Sunita Supera dancing. They're so beautiful. And then as you back up, you do flower, flat, flower, flat. And backing up, flat. And then we're gonna come forward again with the wallflower, wallflower, wallflower. Flat flower, flat flower, backing up. You can do it at an angle too. Oh, going back forward. Wallflower, wallflower. The sun is setting. You can dance for the sun. Always have a pose ready. I didn't at the end of this. Whoops! It works. So have a sip of water, and we're going to keep going. So that was Musafir, and now we're going to have some Spanish gypsy music that'll be really fun. It's kind of that span from Rajasthan to Spain. The roads traveled by gypsy caravans. So just do a little 3/4 shimmy or walk. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can lead with one hip, doing the 3/4 shimmies. See, I'm leading with that front hip. Now they're evening out. Just enjoy the movement. Okay, flamenco hands. Going to do an up kick and turn. We'll do it again. It's my little flamenco turn that I love. Cross point, drop and roll back, drop and roll back. Cross point, cross point, cross point, cross point, cross point. drop and roll back, drop and roll back, drop and roll back. That's such a beautiful move. You do flamenco hands again. And that kick turn, bring your leg up and turn. Nice. Double hip pushes a little bit. Throwing a little rib cage circle in there. An undulation. Play with your scarf if you got it on. Really have fun with it. Close and open. This is another thing I saw the Kalbelia ladies doing. Their scarves were bigger. It's fun. Turning is always fun. It's almost trance-inducing. Do some soft single hip pushes, turn. Figure out a fun way to let go of your scarf. Going back into these exaggerated figure eights. Going forward. And back again. Forward. U-step. So I'm focusing where I just referenced it between my belly button and my hip. That muscle, those muscles right there, almost to your sides. So it's almost, you're almost scrunching one at a time. And you're making a U with your hips in the process, like a horizontal U. Your belly button is the crescent. It's a really nice backup step. You step, you step. Keep scrunching those abs, it's good for them. We're doing single hip pushes on both sides. Ornamenting them with my hands. Hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. I'm gonna do a little hip twist in here. Twist, 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 twist. Drop, drop, drop. Drop that hip. See how I turn so the other hip's getting some practice? Twist, twist, twist. Have some fun with your hip pushes, just single hip on both sides. Now speed it up and center it, and that's your shimmy. Knees are soft, face is relaxed, and you're shimmying with the music. That's the hard part. Now here's your 5-second solo. Just have a burst. Do whatever you like, have fun. All right, come back together, some hip circles. Okay, so light bracelets on, heavy push away, pull your light to you. Pull the heavy from your head and release the heavy. Push it out, bring the light in. Bring the light in. Heavy out, light in. Toss the rainbows. This is another Kalbelia move that I love. It's so carefree. It's beautiful. And here's another Kalbelia floor move. Sorry, it's not totally visible. Got my legs straight out, one knee bent. I'm going in a circle, an orbit around myself. Soft hands. It's not an exact move. It's pretty fun to do though. It's a nice leg stretch too. Don't do this if it doesn't look comfortable. This is a little angel move that you'll see a lot of Kalbelia dancers do. It's such a beautiful pose. Flip, flip, flip. So pretty. And we'll do the other leg. Get the stretch in both legs. A lot of Kalbelia women live a lot of their life on the ground and have that experience just for a moment. Setting sun. Yay! Take a deep breath in and out. I'm going to do just a little bit of Qigong, so get your feet in a nice position. They feel really good on the ground. Knees are soft. You're going to rise your arms up, rise up on your toes, and come down. You're a wild goose in flight. We'll do this a few more times. Exhale. Up on your toes, inhale. Exhale as your wings come down. Now you're going to gather all the energy all around you, palms up to the sky. And you're going to push that energy through you, pushing the old energy out and bringing in the new. And rest your hands just below your belly button. Take a breath in. We'll do this 2 more times. Gathering all the energy around you, inhaling slowly. Pushing it down through the crown of your head, all the way down through the bottom of your feet. Bringing in that new energy. Breathe here. Last time, gather all the energy from all around you, everything around you. Filter it through from the crown of your head, down through your shoulders, your stomach, your legs, to the bottom of your feet. Rest your hands. Thank you so much for dancing with me in the desert. Please take a sip of water. Subscribe to my channel. I have so many of these travel dance videos that are lessons, and they will help you feel lighter and hopefully happier. Namaste.